6 members of the Gauteng Health COVID-19 War Room have tested positive for coronavirus. Among those who've tested positive are Head of the Department, Professor Mkhululi Lukhele. The Provincial Health Department has meanwhile sought to clarify the 1 million graves report. It says it doesn't have over 1 million open dark graves. Provincial Health MEC Dr. Bandile Masuku visited one of the gravesides in Tshwane yesterday, and the graveside has a capacity of about 24,000.
The Gauteng Department of Health wishes to confirm that 6 members of the Gauteng Health COVID-19 War Room have tested positive for COVID-19. Among those positive includes the head of the department, Professor Mkhululi Lukhele. All colleagues are doing well and are self-isolating at home. The department also wishes to clarify the confusion on the number of graves dug for COVID-19. The province does not have over 1 million already open dug graves. The over 1 million graves refers to the collective capacity municipalities can take in Gauteng. MEC Dr. Bandile Masuku visited one of the graves in Tshwane yesterday. The graveside visited has a capacity of 24,000. The Gauteng Department of Health has continued to improve and increase both the infrastructure and human resource capacity of the health system to deal with the increasing pressure from the COVID-19 pandemic. We understand that the subject of death is an unfortunate matter to engage in. However, ensuring that there is adequate burial space in the province, unfortunately, forms part of the reality government must contend with the battle against COVID-19.
Gauteng has overtaken the Western Cape as the epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic in South Africa. According to the latest report, the province now has 1,723 more infections than the Western Cape. The health department has been warning that the province would see an exponential rise in cases. This is due to the inward migration, large populations in the metros, and increased congregation, which would also lead to cluster outbreaks. In total, the country has 224,665 cases and 3,602 deaths. 100 new deaths were recorded yesterday, 47 in the Western Cape, 18 in the Eastern Cape, 15 in Mpumalanga, 18 in KwaZulu-Natal, and 2 in Limpopo. Of the total cases, Gauteng has an overall of 75,015 cases after recording an increase of 3,527 new infections. Gauteng now has 33% of the national number of infections.